Hello and welcome to the Section 3.1 application walkthrough. What we're going to be looking at today is solving equations, and we did a lot of that in the problems before. So if you remember here, we're multiplying by -4/7 on the x. So what you want to do is I'm going to say -7/4 is what I want to multiply by. -7/4. That's 7 cancels the 7, 4 cancels 4, negative cancels negative, and so the only thing that's left on the left hand side is x, and you're going to have to figure out what's on the right hand side, but it's 140 times -7/4. Okay, you can do that. On the next one, not too bad of a problem. Remember that 2 is just the number of the problem, so don't think that it's 2b. All I want to do is subtract 145. So minus 145 from both sides. Those cancel, and b equals whatever it's going to be. Okay, let's go ahead and look at the next one here. It tells us a rectangle has an area of 32 meters squared. Find the length of the rectangle if the width is equal to 12 meters. Alright, so area of a rectangle equals length times width. Alright, I know what the area is, and I know what the length is, what the width is. I want to find the length. Okay, so put the numbers in where they need to go based on the equation. 32 is the area. I need to find L, but the width is 12. So that's everything that I know, and I think from here you can probably solve that equation and figure out what the length is. Okay. Now moving on here, the Pentagon is the headquarters of the United States Department of Defense. Its shape is a regular pentagon, and what regular means is that all 5 of these sides are the same length. Okay, I know they're kind of hard to see there, but all 5 of those sides are the same length. Okay, so it says that the perimeter is about 1.6 kilometers. Okay, how long is one side of the Pentagon? Well, the one thing I know is that if they're all the same side, that the perimeter is going to be 5 times one side. Okay, and so I just want you to think of perimeter just means add up all sides. Okay, but perimeter in a regular, what we call a regular polygon, where all the sides are the same, all the angles are the same, would be the number of sides times the length of one side. I'm not going to actually write that. That's part of the problem for you to figure out. Okay? So good luck on that, and if you need help, feel free to ask me for that one. That one's a good problem. I really like it. Let's look at the last one here, veterinary medicine. So in this problem, a veterinary assistant holds a dog and steps on the scale. Trust me, with some dogs, that's the only way that you're going to be able to actually get them on that scale. But so when the veterinary assistant holds the dog and steps on the scale reads 193.7 pounds. Alone, the assistant weighs 193 pounds. So find the weight of the dog by writing and solving a one-step equation. Okay, and the basic idea here is that the total weight, so the total weight that the scale shows is going to be equal to assistant's weight plus the dog's weight. And again, I'm not actually going to put those numbers in there. I'm going to let you do that because that's part of this application idea. Okay, you need that practice. So, that being said, good luck on the mastery challenge that's coming up, and we'll see you guys out there.